Assalamualaikum and hi to my beloved supervisor, Madam Nuradila Muhammad, my respected panel, Dr. Kisina Omar, and my bliss second panel, Dr. Klima Elong. My name is Syahirah Binti Zakariah, a final year student of Bachelor in Environmental Technology from UiTM Shah Alam. Today, I will present about my final year project titled Noise Exposure in Padang, Jawa KTM Station. First, let me talk about the background of this study. Padang, Jawa is a railway station located in Shah Alam, Selangor, where it serves as a crucial transportation hub within the Klang Valley, connecting Kuala Lumpur and various destinations in Selangor. This station opened in 1995 and was organized by Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad or KTMB. However, it produced some loud noise exposure and make it uncomfortable for the workers and residents, and sometimes this problem can contribute to several effects. Studies from Indrayani stated that irregular rhythm of passing train leading to insomnia and fatigue, while study from Karen mentioned the railway noise can induce stress and anxiety. Due to this finding, the main objective of this study is to examine the noise level generated by trains at Padang, Jawa KTM station and determine if it exceeds the noise permission level. Regarding the previous research background, there was a problem statement that was identified. The railway station is widely recognized as a source of significant noise pollution. A study by Yang and Liang found that residents living in close proximity to railway station experience disruption in their sleep pattern and an increase in stress-related health issues. Consequently, concerns have been raised regarding the noise level at Padang, Jawa KTM station and the corresponding satisfaction levels among both workers and the residents. Move to the significance of study. There are three significance that has been recognized. First, other researchers can use this study data as a baseline data for future research. Second, workers and residents can be more aware and more concerned about their hearing health. And the third one is data collected from this study can be used as a benchmark for KTMB's management to provide some improvement toward this railway station. In my study, I was focused on three objectives. First, to measure the noise exposure level LEQ between day and night. Second, to calculate the noise pollution level LNP between day and night. And the third objective is to evaluate the satisfaction of workers and residents towards the noise exposure at Padang, Jawa KTM station. Now I will present about literature review. There are so many previous studies that focus on noise exposure at railway station. A study by Osman and Zulkifli at various KTM stations reported that noise level often exceed the recommended limits, contributing to lower satisfaction rates among nearby residents. While research by Arifin and Rahim on noise monitoring at KTM station indicated that many stations frequently exceed noise limit, particularly during peak hours. Another study from Yang and Liang found that individuals residing near railway station often experience significant sleep disturbance. Now, I will move to the methodology parts. The study area that I choose is Padang, Jawa KTM station, and the study design that I have applied in my study is cross-sectional study. The instrument that was used is sound level meter. All the data was collected through two varieties, which are noise level measurement and questionnaire-based survey. For the noise level measurement, the sound level meter or SLM was positioned in close proximity to the train. Next, the SLM was positioned appropriately in relation to any reflector or obstructions. Then, The microphone on the SLM was positioned between 1.3 and 1.5 meter above the floor. Lastly, the microphone on the sound level meter was faced the sources of the sound. While for questionnaire, the questionnaire was prepared by studying similar research in Malaysia and abroad. The survey was conducted with paper-based questionnaire distributed among station workers and residents living near the station. This is the result of my own study. The table shows recorded noise level exposure between day and night at Padang, Jawa KTM station. From the result, daytime show higher value than night and both stations exceeded the permission level. It indicates that daytime has higher noise exposure level than nighttime due to human activities. Moving to the second objective, here is the table of noise pollution level L and P during day and night at Padang, Jawa KTM station. After the calculation, it shows that L and P during daytime is higher than nighttime due to the environment factor such as road traffic. For Objective 3, in this section, the questionnaire survey was analyzed using SPSS software. The mean and standard deviation has been used to analyze items such as the amount of harassment caused by noise pollution. In this section, pupils' opinions are expressed with a 5-point Likert scale in which the number 5 represents very high and the number 1 means very low. Therefore, the closer the average is to 5, it means that the mentioned case has the highest value in the eyes of most pupils, while a low standard deviation means that the data is grouped around the mean, and a high standard deviation indicates that the data is more scattered. The result of descriptive statistics in this section show that the last case, which has the highest average, the closest number to 5, the lowest standard deviation, is a general belief 4.10 out of 5 that the railway company needs to take effective measure to reduce the effect of noise pollution, while the lowest average is related to the concern about the impact of noise exposure on health with 2.80 out of 5. In conclusion, the noise exposure level during day is 76.3 dBA, while during night is 76.1 dBA. Thus, it shown that the noise exposure level during day is more higher than night, and both results were exceeded the permission noise level. For second objective, the noise pollution level L and P during day is 108 dBA, while during night is 90.5 dBA. For the last objective, the questionnaire survey successfully conducted among workers and residents, and their satisfaction toward noise exposure level at Padang, Jawa KTM station was successfully analyzed, which is lower satisfaction. All things considered, all the objectives were achieved. There are few recommendations for future study, which are: first, diverse location by conduct studies in various locations to understand how different distances affect noise level and impact. Second, apply climate consideration by explore how climatic variations such as seasons, weather pattern influence noise propagation and exposure levels. Third, use Geographic Information System or GIS to create detailed noise map around railway station, identifying hotspots and assessing spatial variability. So that's all from me, and thank you so much for watching.